On this episode, we're installing a tail tidy, '04 Kawasaki ZRX. So this thing is completely stock, like it came from the motorcycle dealership. All original.
12,000 miles.
11,239 miles. This thing over here is
The grossest.
it's like as big as a station wagon. So we're going to take all this off and replace it with this, and this is stainless, so it's not going to rust. And then all the hardware that comes with it is stainless, so it's not going to rust. And it'll shorten everything up. License plate will mount here. Get rid of this big plastic mumbo jumbo doohickey tail dragon thingamajig. Competition Werkes is the brand. Got it off of the Revzilla. Pretty nice piece. Probably not as light as the Eldest stuff from Quick, but it looks pretty good. I guess we could quick it up and put more holes in it to lighten it, but then you would let water in. So we're just put it in like this. So first, take everything off.
This dude goes like this. Those little things map down here for the turn signals. You have two that come up like this. So I got some long ones and some short ones. I think the long ones go back here to get it all tied back together. Right here maybe, because there's three pieces.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry. Yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry. The guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I'll grab my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said the good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said I got right close, looked down in her face. The good old gal got to lay down to the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. You know, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul to throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone who don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad, baby, had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. I said, you know about that, baby, I had them all walking blues. You know, I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and all the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. I hush, thought I heard her call my name. I was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, I hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, seemed like hours and it seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, man, it seemed like hours. Hours seem like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone. Make you do things you don't want to do. I said love's a hard old phone. Make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So much faster. I probably lost about 40 pounds of thrust, reverse thrust coming off of that.
Vacuum line? Yeah.
No, coming off of that stupid.
Fender.
Fender. Thank you. You can have these Teflon nuts.
That was probably, you know, reverse stabilization to keep the rear end on the ground. Now it's going to float.
You know why?
Weight on top of it!
No, I got a counterbalance, Jay.
You're cute, but that's not where that goes.
Well, you can figure it out.
Damn right.
I'm being nicer than fucking Joseph.
Joseph just throws them on the floor and then kicks them all over the place.
Yep. Out in the yard.
Then I gotta spend days looking for them.